Hello again. Let's see what happens to Tom today. Look at Tom. He has a new hat. The hat is blue. Tom likes his new hat very much. He looks handsome. Tom goes for a walk. He walks to the big lake. The water is blue and clean. Tom has a bag in his hand. He has a yummy sandwich for lunch. The weather is nice, but it is very windy today. The trees move left and right. Whoosh! The wind is very strong. Tom feels the cold wind on his face. Suddenly, a strong wind blows. Whoosh! Oh no! The wind takes Tom's blue hat. The hat flies up in the air. "My hat!" says Tom. He is very surprised. Tom runs. He runs very fast on the green grass. He wants to catch his hat, but the wind is faster. The hat flies and rolls on the ground. Finally, the hat stops. It falls on the grass near the water. Tom stops running. He is tired. "Phew," says Tom. "There is my hat." But wait, what is that? A big white duck walks to the hat. The duck looks at the blue hat. Then the duck sits inside the hat. It is a comfortable bed for the duck. Tom walks to the duck. He says, "Hello, duck. That is my new hat. Please give it back." The duck looks at Tom. The duck does not move. The duck says, "Quack, quack." It likes the blue hat. It does not want to give it to Tom. Tom thinks, how can he get his hat back? Tom has a good idea. He remembers his lunch bag. He has a sandwich. Tom takes a piece of bread. He shows the bread to the duck. "Here, ducky," says Tom. He puts the bread on the grass. The duck sees the yummy bread. It stands up. It walks away from the hat to eat the bread. Tom quickly takes his hat. The hat is a little dirty, but it is okay. Tom laughs. "Thank you, duck," he says. The duck is busy eating. Tom walks home. He doesn't wear the hat. He holds it in his hands. It was an interesting day at the lake. Tom has a good story to tell his friends. Sometimes things don't go as planned, but we can always smile. Thank you for listening to this story. Subscribe for more English stories with Tom. See you next time.